Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to run a container on your local. For that, let's go to your this hub.docker.com, and from here we will use this ngx image and install it and check it is working from our container or not. Okay, for that let's go to this cmd and you need to run this command docker name docker run -d -name web server nginx and port from which port we can access this, and here we will say nginx latest. So it will check if this image is available on local, then it will do it from local. If it's not available on local, then it will download from a registry or this hub. Okay, so after means when it's done, then we will run our this ngx server on this given port on our local host. So right now docker is doing everything for us. So now you are able to see it's done. Okay, now if you check this, your images available here, and this is also working and if you check this through a terminal as well, you can check that like this docker images, it will show you the images, and this is and if you want to check means it's running or not, you can check in this manner. Okay, and let's check this, are we able to touch this or not? Yes, it's working. Thank you guys, thanks for your time.